Mm. All right. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Karishma. How are you? Welcome back to another live stream. Hope everyone's weekend gone very well. All right. So let us hustle on this chart. Okay, let's just start analyzing on this one. Let's see what gold did and how it's gonna be moving today. So basically, let's take a look on the weekly first of all. Let me clear all the drawings here. See, the weekly is a hyper bearish right now. In the trend of the bearish momentum, which is you know uh, very volatile at this point for the bearish side. And let's take a look on the daily. The daily is something that also looks bearish, but when we created a support, this daily candle came down. It's coming down, might create a wick and then continuation up till here. Who knows? But due to this heavy bearish momentum, this looks like nearly impossible. But it's okay. Let's take a look at the 4 hour. 4 hour is bearish. 1 hour. 1 hour is bearish. Now we are at the support. If it breaks below this, the trade would be lovely. All right, so let's draw the levels on the 30-minute right now. We have the rejection. All right, and now we had this rejection right back then. All right, and let's take a look on the 15-minute time frame. Be precise about the levels. 15-minute looks way more messier, but we're gonna stick to the 30-minute. It's just a Monday. We're not gonna be risking a lot today, so let's keep it simple and wait for a breakout. Now we have just 27 minutes left for this current 30-minute candle to close. Okay. Now if this 30-minute candle closes below this level, and next candle to wick up and then continue pushing down till here, we have a clean range from left hand side. All right. The range is almost like the 1200 pips, which is massive range, right? So waiting for a breakout to trade this range. Same time for the boys. If we create a support at this point, it didn't break this level, then there's going to be a high probability for price to again continue pushing up, because we have a clean range made right now. That's a 200 pip range. That's massive also. That's also massive. Okay, so all we have to do is just wait on this one. Okay, all we need to do is just wait on this candle, 30-minute candle to close below this level, 40, 45, and then we're going to be deciding that if we can continue pushing down, then based on the next candle we're going to be, gold is going to be printing. So let's take a look if it hit it 3000 or not. Yo, damn. Brothers, this is crazy. I mean, the price have already came up till the 39.59. That's the lowest point. But can we retrace this low again, or are we creating the higher highs, lower highs, and higher highs? Might create a lower high somewhere around here. Who knows? And as I said, for the daily, might create a lower wick and then continue pushing up. And there's a very, very huge sellers sitting right there. 41.95, 41. Yeah, 4200. Yeah, that's where a lot of sellers are waiting for price, basically. Sticking to the 30-minute, we have 24 minutes left, like for candle to close. 25 minutes. Let's take a look on the GJ. The GJ is also kind of messy at this point. See the trend. All right, the messiness of the GJ is overlapping. It might fill the wick. On daily, it might continue pushing up, and this is a wick from the weekly. 4 hour looks like creating support. Clean range from left hand side. Impulse entry right here. The trade would be for 30 pips. DJ is the lowest volume at this point, man. DJ is hilarious. Once upon a time, the GJ was the king of the volatility with the gold. See, just 38.40 pips, that's it. Crazy. Dollar index is sitting above this level. Weekly bullish. It's very hyper bullish at this point, and might continue pushing up and fill this wick, and then continue pushing up. Very clean range from left hand side. The level we were looking for the before next week, like the past next week. I mean, the past week. So it already broke it up. Already broke it up, and then huge chances for continuation till here. And it means the gold is going to be falling more. Gold is going to be falling more. Gold, more falls are coming. 4 hour looks way more better for the shorts. I mean, you could have a short here that would have been 100 pips. Amazing. 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 See, let's see. Still, we are up to waiting at this point. We have like wait for a breakout. Take a look on the fundamentals. Forex Factory. Oops. Forex Factory. Okay, so let me do something here on the filter. Get this out. Get this in. Which bank holidays are there? Canadian bank holiday on this week, Euro bank holiday today. The Euro bank holidays are already here. On Thursday, we got the US bank holiday. At the same time, we got the non-farm payroll. Same time, we got the NFP. That's crazy. The NFP at the same time is crazy. With the bank holiday. What we got? The Fetcher, Wash, Speak, ECB President Large. We got the Speaks, ISM, CPI for CHF. It's gonna be quite volatile week, I think. Yeah, it's gonna be quite a funny and volatile week at this point. So we'll see. We'll see how these things will go. We'll see. Price is rejecting the level, man. It's rejecting. See if it closes bullish or above this or bearish. But we got one problem again. Let me explain that problem to you. If you guys know that problem, comment into the chat box. Let's see who knows that. Let me know what problem I'm talking about. If you got the short trade, we close below, yet there's very risk, a lot of risk to enter at this point. And some of you guys might know why this is risky. Enter even though it breaks below that. Even though if it, break below this level, it's still gonna be riskier in 30 minutes. Why is that? And what am I talking about? If you know, let me know. Let's see your knowledge. Let's check out your knowledge. Let me know why it's still risky if it breaks below this level and it's still, it's going to be very high risk to enter at this point. And why is that? Let me know. And what am I talking about? Okay, the Charisma said that we had rejections left inside. Yeah, that's a good thing, but I'm talking about some other thing. Look at it very carefully. Yes, candle rejection. Okay, let me explain. See, first of all, we don't take a trade when a trend already happened, right? When a bullish trend already happened, you won't sell at the top. Sorry, you won't buy at the top, and you won't sell at the bottom. So basically, the psychology is see the candles, how many candles we have made for the beer sign. One, two, three, four, five. And we're expecting sixth and seventh candle to continue pushing down. And in very, very hyper, I mean, rare cases are there that happens like that. Other than that, it rejects up and closes like this. You get it? I mean, when you see a lot of candles moving in one direction, then avoid taking the trade exactly in the same direction because the trade is already happened, right? And then you are expecting price to fall more based on your, I mean, based on just your observation. But the market does what it does. Our extended candles, exactly. This is what I'm talking about. Exactly, Karishma. Good morning, Rom. How are you, bro? How are you, my brother? How was your weekend? Guys, like the stream, support it. I'm good, bro. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Weekend was good. That's great. So we are looking at we have okay, so we have some 10 seconds left for this candle to close. Let's see. On 15-minute time frame, we have this rejection. And if we go like this, 40 pips and stop loss is started big. Okay. So on the during this 15-minute time frame, if we close this above this level, if we close above this level, around 30-minute time frame, we see and we close like this, and next candle, start to wick down and then continue pushing up, and we might take a trade for 80-90 pips. So the stop loss is going to be 30-40 pips. That's it. There's going to be 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. The trade. So still we're going to be waiting for a 15-minute time frame to. We'll see if it continues to pushing up or it closes below this. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see if it continues pushing up, closes above the 40.56, or it continues pushing down and closes below 40.42. This is going to be our potential sells below now, because see the 15-minute closing, giving some hint and closing some structure, some bullish candles and then some bearish candles, not a straight down. So we're gonna do it. Potential sells below. Forty, 45. Let me make it smaller. See on 15-minute time frame if we get a potential buys or not. Problem is this rejection right behind it. This is the real reason, I mean, why it's risky at this point, because market moved like very with volume. All right, the market moved already with the volume, and now you're expecting to correct itself and continue pushing up till here, 40 and 72. That could happen, but if market reverses and closes above this level, 40 or 56, then there's going to be a possibility to price continue pushing up till here, the 40.68 to 40.73. That could happen. So everything we're gonna do is just wait. Just wait. For 30-minute candle to close. Let's see if it closes like this. Then we might take a buy. Then we might take a buy based on 30-minute. One question. How do we decide the lot size? It's very simple and easy, bro. It depends which account you're trading. You're trading either on the prop firms or on a live account. If you're trading on the prop firm, take your lot sizes based on your daily drawdown. Let's say your daily drawdown is $10,000 on a $200,000 account, then you're just gonna be for going. You should be going for like the one lot size to two lot size, right? To risk 1% to 2% of the account based on your drawdown. All right, not the whole account. You don't get the full $200,000. Now, for the live account, things are different. Like if you have $1,000 account, you should go for 0.10 lot size to 0.15 to 0.20 lot size, right? And if your account is $5,000, go for 0.25 to 0.50 lot size. That's it. And if you have a $10,000 account, go for one standard lot size, one whole standard lot size. For $3,000 account, you should go for like 0.15 to 0.30. That's it. That's the max you can do. 0.30 is max you can do on the $3,000 account. Don't overextend it. If you do it, you will see the huge drawdowns. Like, see, my account is like now $48,000 right here. And look at my lot sizes, man. I take small risks on this account. Look at my lot sizes. 1, 1, 2, 2. Max I take 2. The max lot size is I take, max lot size I took like 2. This is the max lot size I used to take. See the consistency? Yeah, I also took the 3 on my good setups. 2, 3 on my $48,000 account. And this is how small risk I take. Sometimes I take 0.50, like a $5,000 account. So you can relate. You can relate at how small risk you should use before growing up. I mean, once you grown like 3,000 to what, $10,000 and $13,000, then you can extend your lot sizes to one lot size to 1.5. This is how you can be growing. Other than that, you're using in the start the huge lot sizes, definitely it's going to be a one day to wipe up your whole account. So use small risk. Like the stream, man. Like the stream, guys. What are you guys at, man? Like the stream. Show some support. Show some support. You guys can do it. You guys can do it. See, we have like how much? 7 minutes left for our 30-minute candle to close. We are still waiting. We are waiting for breakout or closure like a support. Then we can decide either we take a buy or a short. Liked. Amazing. Rom. Amazing, bro. Let's give a what? Where do we get it? I mean, yes, sir. Where do we get the reactions? Okay, like this. Damn, the price is moving already. The price is moving already. We have 5 minutes left for this candle to close. For that, I need like the next candle to wick down, then candle pushing up. On 15-minute time frame, I need like a break above this, or it's gonna be an impulse entry on 15-minute time frame. But on the 30-minute, it's gonna be a support created. We're gonna move our support like this, and we're gonna wait for the next candle. If it wick down and then candle pushing up, we're gonna ignore this mess. We are going to ignore this mess because then we got like a clean range from left hand side. It could be a problem by having a lot of rejections on the left hand side, but we're going to be focusing on this one by using a small risk because of the two stuff, because of the two rules. It's a Monday, right? It's just a Monday, and also we got the rejections, a lot of unpredictable rejections at the left hand side, which it was no trade range previously. So it's going to be buys above. Like, yeah, the buys are going to be above this on 15-minute, but we are waiting for 30-minute time frame to 30-minute candle to close, and we have just 4 minutes left for current 30-minute candle to close. See if it creates the support. Once it support is created, we're gonna move our support like this right here, and we'll see the next candle to wick down a little bit and then continue pushing up by breaking the high of the previous candles until here. It's gonna be for like maybe 200 pips. Yeah, 160 pips. That's enough. That's good. That's good. And we are waiting at this point. Let's see how the candle closes and how we get the next trade going on. We are just waiting at this point. All right. We have just 4 minutes left. All right, we got 3 minutes left for current 30-minute candle to close. Let's see if it closes like this. Amazing. We're gonna be we might find a trade. right? On 15 minute we are breaking above this, which is very good at this point, which means the trend is going to be shifting and correcting itself till here. We got the rejection, right? So we're going to be aiming for that. If it closes like the way I want it to close. 2 minutes. 2 minutes left for 30-minute candle to close. Okay. I mean, for some guys, trading is boring just because they have to wait a lot. Because they cannot wait. I mean, see, even though in the last seconds, this trade could be invalid. And you still should have a patience that occurs that, you should wait for another setup. More patience. And this is very hard to build in trading. Like, you need years of practice, okay, to tolerate that much of FOMO. Can we take a buy if price breaks and close above? Yes, sir. This is why we are waiting for EMAs. We should not force the trade. Exactly. Exactly, Ram. You are right. Market does whatever it, have to do. You just have to follow it. You don't have to go and play against it and make your account bleed so wildly that you cannot even bear it. Are you planning to Istanbul for a Raja event? No, bro. Uh, I'm I'm just working on my some projects for now. I might be doing some of my own projects very soon, so I'm just focusing on that for now. But in September in Forex Expo, I will be there in Dubai. Open your MT5 trade page. Okay, I miss. Here we go. This is my MT5 trade page, man. Oh, we just closed. We might miss a trade. We miss. No. Let me take a look on the. Here we go. Just waiting for this candle to break above this 30 minute, and this is gonna be our trade for 115 pips. Stop loss is gonna be for 40 pips based on 15 minute. Yeah, let's see now. This is my MT5 page. You wanted to see the account is live or not? Here we go. See it here. And you see Alex Marn, bro, give me $10. I need, bro, give me $10. Damn. Ask your papa, bro. Okay, I'm taking a trade now. For one lot. It's gonna be a buy. Alright, I'm on a buy. I'm on a buy right now. What just happened? Nice answer. My friend, give me I want $10, bro. These kind of people, man. Let's see how this plays out. 30-minute. Can we target this? Let's see now. Let's see now where it goes. I'm blocking this guy, man. This guy is just a mess. Alright, price is moving up and we are in this trade. On 15-minute, it's an impulse entry. On 30-minute, so it looks very good to me, basically. Let's see. Let's see now. We are in 14 pips in profit. Okay, let me make it right. The picture is covering the whole view. Skill fix. Okay, this guy is just making the mess right now. If you block me, this guy was saying if you block me, I will report your stream. Go fuck yourself, man. Go fuck yourself. Do whatever you want. Alright, guys, we are in this trade. Okay. Did you talk about? Yes, bro. I am in buys right now. Alright. I am at this buy trade and see the price is moving for now. I might close the full position right here or let it be running till here. We'll see depending on the rejections. Depending on the rejections, and we are at the 30 pips in profit. We are 25, 30 pips in profit. All right. Yes, sir. It's moving. Let's see how much it gives us. It will give us. Guys, 12 people are watching, man. What guys are you doing? I mean, just like the stream. Like the stream. Like the stream. See how beautiful entries I give you. Okay, the candle is moving. And as you guys know that I usually close half of my position as on the 30 pips or 40 pips. But this time I'm holding. This time I'm holding for now. 30 pips, amazing run. Congratulations, man. If you booked 30 pips, amazing. That's great. People are not liking the stream, man. Sachin, hi bro, how are you? How are you, Sachin? Long time, bro. Amazing. We are at the 60 pips in the profit, and I'm gonna book the half of my position right now. Half of my position I'm booking right now. So you guys book if you guys are on this trade. Amazing. Perfecto. Perfect. I already booked some profits. So I'm gonna move my stop loss. I'm gonna trail my stop loss based on 15 minute to exact current 15 minutes low and right here. Let's make it, or let's make it a break even. Let's make it a break even so I don't lose, because this is a Monday, guys. This is just a Monday and I don't want to lose any profits. Secured 50 pips. Amazing. Perfect. Like done. Thank you, Sachin. Thank you. Amazing, Karishma. You secured the 50 pips. Great. When come in the W's who took the buys like we did. Live trades, live in front of you guys with live account, live Dominion market. It's not even my broker. Okay. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Can you explain the trade? Yes, Ram. I'm gonna be explaining this setup again. So let's let the trade be running. I think less people took this trade because a lot of were. Okay. All right. Let's explain the setup again. So listen to it, people. Look, the price was ranging. Okay, the price was ranging at this point from level A to level B. This is what we're gonna call to 40.73 and to 40.45, right? This is the range. The price was just ranging, and there was no stability in the price, which shows that this is a no trade zone. But something insanely happened. What is that? Price came up, it rejected this point, and with good volume, price moved down, right? And once price want to move down, then we want to see shorts. If we want to see a short, then the price should break below this level, this rejection level, to confirm it that it is in a right direction of the shorts, right? But what it did, it just rejected up, all the way up, and made a wick up. Okay, so wick up created a support just right here, right? So it means the sellers are not enough powerful to break this level at this moment, right? So it made a support. We have a clean range with from the left hand side. In pre-London, we have a clean range from the left hand side, even though with volume. So if we could not break this this rejection level, then definitely we made a support, and then have a clean range means the price have huge potential to correct itself and continue pushing up. Oops. Yeah, the trade is running. So price have huge potential to continue pushing up and correct this whole move from the pre-London volume, and make a correction and continue pushing up and retrace this high which it made. This is how simple it is. The pure market structure. The pure market structure. That's it. That's it. Nothing. I mean, no rocket science, no nothing. And guys, look, I'm about to launch something like the crazy for you guys who have experience in trading for 1 or 2 years at least. It's gonna be like heaven for them. So we're gonna do the one-to-one sessions. Okay, in my Telegram channel right now, nobody can like chat to each other. But for this solution, I'm gonna be making another channel, or that's gonna be uh, only a good traders like having the experience of 1 or 2 year, at least 6 months or something in that channel, so they can conversate to each other. There's gonna be a one-to-one sessions every single weekend. We're gonna do like the simulation sessions, okay, so everyone can understand it better and practice it live together and take the trades live. Of course, we do it live here on the YouTube, and also we're gonna do the Zoom calls and everything else, and might share some tools like how to get your fundamental stuff, how to learn, like the fundamentals, where to read the markets, and on the on the backstage, because I don't on the Raja strategy SRC, he just go for the technicals, he don't go for the fundamentals. But for me, I go for both. I go for both. On the big moves, I go for the fundamentals. On the technicals, I go for the small moves like this. I give you the signals or the trades, you can say, or the risk management every single day here on the live stream. So it's going to be a win-win for everyone, right? So this is going to be crazy enough to make you more richer. What else you need, man? And some people are telling me this should be paid, but I'm thinking it should be free. But when it's free, nobody's gonna be respecting, that's for sure. Nobody respects the free stuff, that's for sure. I'm gonna reduce this fee very small. I mean, so everyone can afford it. Like 10, 15, I don't know. Just like small chunks, but everyone I promise you, everyone would be able to afford it from their pocket money. Guys, you guys, go for the grocery shopping and you spend like hundreds of dollars just without even buying, without uh having the need of a product, you buy it. But for your mental exercise, for your brain, to feed it with knowledge, feed it with the right strategy, don't do anything. You don't even are willing to spend $10, $15. What the fuck? And then you should not be a trader. On the other hand, man. But it's gonna be launching very soon. Let's see. I think the trade is moving to our. Okay, so the trade is sorry, the candle, the 15-minute candle is already uh closed. It's making a lower wick. If it now hits my break even, that's it. I'm done with this trade. Other than that, if it continues, make a wick down, then continue pushing up, fill this wick and hit my take profit, let it be. I am already have closed and secured some position, man, at the top because of these rejections at the left hand side. See, if you join the live stream every single day, even you can pass your funded accounts like I did. Let me show you that funded account. Okay, so this was this funded account. All right. So that funded account, I just bought it for fun. That was small funded account. I just bought it for fun, and that's it. I passed it in just 3 trades. I had to do 8%, which is $160, and I did like how much? 3 trades. 1, 2. Yeah, this trade is tiny, and this one, 3 trades only. And this trade was almost for 380, 300 or 90 pips or something, like 400 closely. That's crazy also. See, with right risk management tools, with right empowerment of your brain, filling up with the right strategy and the psychology, and surrounding yourself with the right people with the same mindset, not a kid's mindset. So, definitely gonna be making it in your life. And I got the live account right here. I got the live account of this, like, yeah, right here. I don't know if I'm gonna be trading it or I will give away this live account. I don't know. I don't know. This small account, who knows? Let's get back to our real account. It's coming back to my entry level. If it, guys, if it hits my stop loss, it's okay. I'm not gonna be forcing the trade. If it continues pushing up, make a wick. It's already made a wick down here, and my break even is on the right place. If it hits my break even, that it means that it have still the potential of continue pushing down. Okay, still have then continuation, the potential of continuation pushing down, because I have the big rejections from the left hand side. Already secured the 50 pips here. That's amazing. That's enough. And moved our stop loss to the break even. That's a risk management. This is why you should always book your profits. Always book your profits at the right time. And I just didn't book this profit randomly. I see these rejections. See these rejections, right? Right here, right here. All the rejections. Price can reject all the way. But with the volume, this is still possibility of the continuation till here. Let's see now. Let's see now. That's it. We're not gonna be doing anything with this. Let's just see if the price makes it up till here, or it will be hitting my break-even stage, because we already made like $290, $91 today, like $300. That's enough. That's good. It's like 0.99%, less than, a little bit less than of 1% of my current account. That's okay. It's just a Monday, man. It's just a Monday. You don't need to greed a lot. You don't want to lose your money. You don't want to lose the profit you have made last week or last month. Okay? And I want to close this month profitably. I want to close this month with profit. We're going to be anticipating the price till here. If these rejections doesn't be a problem. All right, all right, all right. It's moving. Let's see. Let's just wait and see. We have still 9 minutes left for this candle to close. It's 30-minute candle to close. See, if this 30-minute candle closes like this, I'm gonna be still holding this trade then. I might move this my stop loss till below this current 30-minute candle right here. If this closes like this, I mean the bullish one, still is gonna be a possibility of filling this wick and continuation. There is always a way to make more money. Always a way to make more money. People subscribe and like the stream, man. 60% of you guys don't subscribe, and they just take benefits of the. See, the payment you can give me of the education and the trades like this is just a button, a subscribe button that you hit. That's it, and the like button. That's all. 15 minutes is just making a mess. Alright, we have just 7 minutes left for this current 30-minute and 15-minute candle to close. And if it closes like this, if the current 15-minute candle closes like this or hit my break even, both I'm out of the trade. And if it goes back up and breaks its own high for the continuation upside, still gonna hold it. But I don't think so it's gonna be going up without hitting my SL, but let's see. Let's see. Let's see. It just smashed my break even. Smashed my break even, but I still made some money. Don't. It's not a problem. Now we just anticipating it. Now we are just anticipating the price because we are out of this trade already. And let's see if we can continue pushing up or not. Officially, we have made some money today. Go to the custom history today. Here we go. Total profit of 0.5% of my account. That's good. See which business? I mean, look at it. My account size is just like how much? Nearly 50k. I started with 30k. Nearly it's 50k now, and I made like 0.5, like a 0.5% of my account. I just made today. I can make like 1%, 2%. Sometime I can make 5% of my account in a single day. Which business does that? Which job does that? Which business in the world does that? In a single day, you make 1%. In a single day, you make 0.5%. That's still insane. If you understand this, if you understand that, this is still insane. I mean, the biggest traders who manages the hedge funds, who manages the private equity, managing the hundreds of millions of dollars, they are gaining not more than 20% in a single year, not in a day, not in a month, in a single year. They are not growing more than 25%, like 20%, maximum 20%. I'm talking, but they're aiming for 10%, 5%. Some of them managing the billions of dollars, and they just focus on making 5 to 10%, 15% in a year, in a single year. That's huge. But we are doing here like 0.5% because of the small capital. Of course, not a small capital; it's a $50,000. But comparing to those huge hedge funds managing the billions of dollars in within them, it's still small. It's not even a 1%. We're gonna be getting there very soon. We will get there very soon. We will get there very soon. Alright, guys. Officially, the stream should be ended right now because we are out of the trade. And hope you guys enjoyed the education. We learned about these, the fake outs. Sorry, not the fake outs, but the liquidity grab, that how price grab the liquidity and closes above a level. Then we can anticipate a price and trade opposite of the trend, and which is going to be more reliable of it. Okay, so that's going to be a still a very good learning for you guys if you take it as learning and keep some notes and keep practicing. So we'll see you guys tomorrow at the same time with a new lesson when market teaches us a new lesson. All right, take care, bye bye, love you all, have a good one, take care.